Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to show you how to easily snag a free $100 Starbucks promo code. This method is super simple, and you'll have your promo code in just a few minutes, so stick around to see how it's done. First, head over to escapon.co/Starbucks, or scan the QR code displayed on the video with your smartphone camera to access the site. Once you're on the page, the first thing you need to do is enter your email address. This is important because your $100 promo code will be sent directly to your inbox, so make sure you enter it correctly. Next, you'll need to choose whether you're using an Apple or Android device. It's important to select the right option since the process might differ slightly depending on your device. Now, the site will start generating your promo code. Don't worry, this only takes a few moments. It's one of the quickest ways to get $100 off your next Starbucks order. Your promo code is almost ready, but there's one final step. To confirm that you're a real person and not a bot, the site will ask you to verify your identity by downloading 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These apps are always free, so there's no cost involved. You can choose any 2 apps that are available. There's no need to pick the same ones I'm downloading. If an app doesn't download properly, just choose a third app as a backup. I'm currently downloading my second app, and once both apps are installed, you'll need to open and use each one for about a minute. Some apps might ask you to complete a quick survey or sign up. So if that happens, just follow the instructions to ensure the verification process goes smoothly. Once you've used the apps for the required time, head back to your email and refresh the page. Your $100 Starbucks promo code should be sitting in your inbox.